How to choose a color in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose the color of different products. First of all, open the application. Now you can directly search for the product or you can directly browse for the product. So here I'm tapping on one product. So here as you can see, this is the product that I want to buy. But you can select different colors and there are different variation available. So here in this color section, swipe right until you find the best color for yourself. So you can choose the color and there are even different type of design that you can select from. So in some cases there will be differences in the price too. So simply select the color and as you can see it has been selected and you can simply select the size and directly buy it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.